Hello guys, let me tell you how you can keep your Android phone virus free. Let us first understand how viruses comes in Android phone. If you download any third party app, so it could be possible that there is a hacker who is installing viruses into your phone without your knowledge to steal the confidential information which is available in your phone. First step you can do is turn on Play Protection of Google Play so that when you install any app into your phone, it will first scan that app and the probability of getting the virus into your phone will be minimized. Secondly, you can regularly maintain your security update. If you keep a regular check on security update of different applications, then chances of getting viruses will be reduced. Third, there are many applications which are not available on Google Play. So we try to download it from APK. Basically, APK is a third-party source, so there are many chances of a hacker installing virus into that application. So try not to download APK. And for more details, follow BizHack.